What's up, everybody? We're gonna take a little ride out today. Got a little errand to run, pick up some albums I bought in an auction. So we're gonna go out and do some twisties, and should be lots of fun. Alright, so we have set out, and it appears to be now. here's what we got. Little Duran Duran. Little Peter Tosh. First of the Queen albums for the day. Oh, AC/DC, Dirty Deeds. And this is the pièce de resistance. Queen live at the Rainbow, 74. Little homegrown Canadian talent, Bruce Coburn. Well, we were gonna leave, and then it started to rain. So it looks like we might be here a little while. I think the number, we're good. All right. We'll get a little rainy ride footage now. Breakfast has been had. It's now noon, so it's kind of like lunch. Our butts are wet. Note to self, bring a chamois or a ShamWow. Gray skies are gonna clear up. Put on a happy face. Alright, cruising through downtown Dartmouth. Portland Street. Don't think we're gonna see any of the motorcycle club bikes. They're usually right here, aren't they? Somewhere around here. No MC bikes today. Have to get my Sons of Anarchy fix when we get home. All right, welcome to the Dartmouth waterfront. Best view of Halifax around. Let's have a look. Seems like we're good. Till we get to here. Right into the home stretch. Just had a little bit of short highway driving there. Try to get your high score here. That's a tough spot. I'm surprised more people don't get tickets there. It may be too dangerous to pull people over there, yes. It's alright, I'm just repeating what you're saying. Everything's so green and lush. Wasn't even speeding, it's just wet pavement. I did not pee a little. Oh, I could feel exactly what my back tire was doing there. But I'd rather my back tire did it than my front. watch for left turning people here. Alright, so we tried this yesterday, tried to do a sign off, and I'm pretty sure the GoPro either didn't capture it or the battery had run out or something. What is this guy doing? Just deciding to go to McDonald's at the last minute, I guess. Alright, so that was fun. We got some records, we got some coffee, we got some rain, and that's it. So I guess I'll sign off at this lovely red light up, and we'll see you guys next time.